Hi dear students, welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn a new topic, that is subtraction up to 10. Subtraction up to 10. While doing the subtraction, we find the difference between the two numbers. The difference between the two numbers can be found with subtraction. The sign of subtraction. Children, as you have learned addition in the previous topic or previous chapter, you know that addition was a plus sign. And here when we start subtraction, we use the minus sign. This is the minus sign. Let us see the first example. Question number 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to, we have to find out the difference between 5 and 3. What we are going to do is, we will take the example of 5 bananas. You can see on the screen there are 5 bananas. Now minus 3, we are going to cut 3 bananas, and children, now you tell me how many bananas are left on the screen. 2 bananas are left. So these 2 bananas, that means 5 minus 5, out of 5 we cut 3 bananas, we get the answer, that is, how many bananas remain? It is 2 bananas. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Let us see the second example. Question number 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to, children, here what is there on the screen? It's a very yummy tasty food, that is a pizza. There are 3 pizza on the screen. Now 3 minus 2. Here comes a child. He is very hungry. Now see, he is eating the pizza. The child is eating pizza, so he ate 1 pizza and then he ate 1 more pizza. Children, how many pizza is there on the screen? It's only 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. I hope the example was very interesting. You all must have liked it. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is 4 minus 2 is equal to, children, you have to tell the answer. We'll take example of 4 parrots. You can see on the screen there are 4 parrots. Now out of 4 parrots, 1 parrot first flew up, then the second parrot also flew up. See. Now can you tell me how many parrots remain on the screen? It's 2 parrots. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. I hope you like the examples, all the 3. Let us now move to your book. Children, now in your book, we'll turn the page and we'll see the exercise 1. First sum is done for you, that is 6 frogs sit on the stone. Out of 6, 2 jump in the water. How many frogs are still there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 6 minus 2, 6 takes away 2 is equal to 4. My subtraction means to take away. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And one more thing, children, that always your answer which you get your answer will be smaller to the first number. The first number will always be greater or bigger than the answer. So the difference between 6 and 2 is 4. Don't get confused with anything. Let us see the second example. We see on a plant there are 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we will write 7. Even in this place also we'll write 7. 7, out of which 4 fall down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write 4. Now, how many flowers are left on this tree or plant? 1, 2 and 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next one. 9 leaves on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 leaves are there on the tree, out of which 4 fall down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves fall down. Now children, how many leaves are still there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 leaves are left. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. The examples are very easy for you to understand. Now here 7 bags are there, out of which 2 are cut. So how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one, out of 2 elephants, 1 is subtracted. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 birds, out of which 2 are cut. What will be the answer, children? Yes, you are correct. It will be 1. Now, question number 4. There are 4 bananas. Now, 1 banana is cut. 4 minus 1. 1 is cut. 1, 2 and 3 remain. Next question. 5 birds you can see on this question or on this page, out of which 2 birds are cut. 5 minus 2, we will cut 1 and we will cut 2. How many birds will remain? 3 birds will remain. 8 cars are there on the screen, out of which 7 are cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many cars are left? Only 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Next question, that is, how many fish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many fish are there? It's 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 umbrellas you can see, out of which 3 is cut. So our answer will be 9 minus 3 is 6. Children, I hope you have learned. I will be sending you one exercise that you have to do on your own. Okay? After watching the video, you will do one exercise on your own. Thank you. Thank you for watching. God bless you.